Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by cooking sushi rice now. Rinse 2 cups until water runs clear to remove starch, then drain. While rice cooks, warm 1/4 cup rice vinegar with 2 tablespoons sugar and 1 tsp salt until dissolved. This flavors the rice. Once rice finishes, transfer to a wooden or wide non-reactive bowl, pour the vinegar, mix evenly, and fold gently with a cutting motion to cool quickly. Make sure to fan as you fold. This creates shine and the correct sticky texture for roll. Once the rice is seasoned and slightly cooled, you prepare fillings. Pat dry fish, cut into uniform strips, and julienne cucumbers and avocado to match. Lay a nori sheet on the bamboo mat, shiny side down, and spread rice in a 0.5-inch layer, leaving a 1-inch empty edge at the far side. Arrange fillings across the center, then lift the mat and roll with steady pressure, sealing the edge with a dab of water. Make sure rolls are compact but not crushed, so fillings stay centered. You finish by slicing and plating. With a very sharp knife, and using a single forward and back motion, cut the roll into 6-8 pieces. Wipe the blade between cuts to prevent tearing and chill rolls 5 to 10 minutes if they're too soft. If pieces fall apart, press the remaining sections gently and refrigerate briefly to firm up. Troubleshooting. If rice is overly sticky and unmalleable, spread it to cool faster and reduce pressure next roll. If dry, lightly mist with water before slicing.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.